Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Previously, we watched that the price action formed this rising wedge pattern on the 4-hourly time frame chart, which is a bearish reversal pattern. And here we had a fake out and the price action is moved up again. Now, at the same time, on the daily time frame chart, the price action is also breaking out this resistance of $45,000 that I told you in my previous video is a quite strong resistance. And at the same time, the price action is also trying to break out this 200 simple moving average as well. And in today's video, we will try to analyze whether the price action will break out these resistance levels or it will be moved down from here after having a rejection. And I want to show you a very strong bullish signal that is being appeared after a long time period. Previously it was appeared here back in May 2020, and after that we had more than 700% very big bullish rally. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then I have also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, first of all, I want to show you this rising wedge pattern, and I told you in my previous video, this was a video, that don't be fooled by these bearish patterns, because on the weekly and on the long term we are having a lot of confirmations for the bullish move, for the bullish continuation move. And I'll show you again, and there are some more signals we are having appeared on the charts, and I'll show you those signals as well. And here we had a fake out and the price action is moving towards the upside again. Now, after this recent rejection, we have found a resistance that is coming from here, this rejection line or resistance line from 30th of July, and you can see that it is still working as a strong resistance. And right now the price action is again struggling to break out this rejection line or this resistance line. First, it was the price action was rejected here on 30th of July. Then the price action was rejected here on 1st of August, then again rejected on 8th of August, and now it is being rejected today as well. And at the same time, the price action is also trying to break out this $45,000 resistance level. And I told you that previously here it has been working as a nice support, and here also it has been working as a nice support. Therefore, this time it can again work a good resistance as well. And you can see that here we had a small rejection, and now the price line is trying to break out this 45,000 resistance level. And once this resistance level will be broken out, then there will be an imminent move to $50,000, because there is no significant resistance between $45,000 to $50,000. We have a minor resistance here approximately at $48,000. And at the same time, the price action is also trying to break out this 200 simple moving average as well on the daily time frame. And we can see that previously we had a minor rejection here, like same as like we had the minor rejection here by 45k, because both resistance levels are at the same level. If I copy this 200 simple moving average from here and paste it here on this chart, on this daily time frame chart, then we can see that both resistance are at the same level, and the price line is trying to break out both resistance level at the same time, and also this rejection line or this resistance line as well. And if we take a look at the moving averages, the move of the moving averages on the daily time frame, this is very important. We can see that the 50 simple moving average has again started moving towards the upside. The 25 simple moving average is again moving to the upside. And remember the rule that whenever the smaller time frame moving average crosses up the bigger time frame moving average, that produces a move towards the upside or bullish rally. And now this 25 simple moving average is going to cross this 100 simple moving average. You can see that this 100 simple moving average is moving down, and this 25 is moving up. Then this 50 simple moving average is also moving up, and then we will have the bull cross between the 50 and 100. And finally, the bull cross, a golden cross I'm waiting for, will be between 50 and 200 simple moving averages. That is the real golden cross, and that will be an official signal for the continuation of the big bull run. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, this is really very important. We can see that we are above exponential moving average 21 on the weekly time frame. And in my so many previous videos, I have been telling you that there are 2 points. Whenever the price line will go to those points, you will observe a lot of buying there. For example, one point is from $31,000 to $28,800, and you can see whenever the price action moved in this zone, we observed a lot of Bitcoin accumulation by the traders. And the second point was when the price line will cross up this EMA 21 on the weekly time frame chart, then there will be more aggressive buying. And we are witnessing that when the price action is breaking out this EMA 21, after this breakout, there is more aggressive buying. And now this EMA 10 is going to form a bull cross with EMA 21. And recently I told you, whenever the smaller time frame moving average crosses up the bigger time frame moving average, that produces the bullish rally or bull move. Let me just show you what the price action did previously when we received this bull cross on the weekly time frame chart. Like in the month of May 2020, when we received this bull cross here, after this rare drop of March, then we can see we had more than 600 or 700% rally. And let me just show you, this was 693%, approximately 700% rally. And before this, we received this bull cross here. And after this bull cross, we had a small rally, because after that we had an exceptional drop of March 2020. And this rally in fact was 180%, even though we had this rare exceptional drop after that. Now if we take a look at this bull cross when it was received here back in March 2017, then it was more than 2290% rally. So whenever we are receiving this bull cross on the weekly time frame chart between the exponential moving average 10 and 21, it is producing massive rallies. And we are also having the support of the oscillators and the indicators as well, like this the stochastic oscillator is moving up from the oversold zone. It has given the bull cross or buying signal. This blue line has crossed the red line, that is the buying signal. And you can see that the MACD is giving more and more bullish signals. It was very strong bearish here, and now it has turned bullish. And now here I have also placed the momentum indicator, which gives more firm signals than the MACD. And we can see that this momentum indicator was very strong bearish, and now it is turning bullish. Previously when we received the bullish signals, such bullish signals here, we had more than 700% rally from January 2020 to April 2021. And guys, when we will receive this bull cross, and we can see that we are very close to receive this bull cross, then this signal will be a kind of irreversible signal, and we can have a very long-term rally once we will receive this final signal for the Bitcoin rally. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more ideas, then I have also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.